Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm Chris Mazzarella and you're watching No Reserve Classic. And before we get started guys, if you haven't done it already and you want the first exclusive look at all of our new and upcoming inventory, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video. And here we have it, a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS Restomod. This X11 Camaro has a full nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. It is painted in its original base coat, clear coat, garnet red with black stripes and a straight body lines along the side. You'll notice 15-inch staggered SS wheels with BF Goodrich white letter tires and even power disc brakes. It has the D80 spoiler package and a true dual exhaust. Under the hood, we have a Chevrolet 350 small block engine mated to a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission with jet-coated headers, vintage air conditioning, power brakes, power steering, and a Be Cool aluminum radiator. On the interior, we have a factory-styled interior with gauges, a center console with gauges, and a radio with smartphone connectivity and custom speakers placed at all four corners. The underbody of this car is super solid and stout with just as much attention to the top when it comes to a high-quality restoration. With posi traction rear, this baby is held down to the ground. And for your added convenience, we broke this video up into a few different sections. So if you wanted to, you could fast forward to your favorite part. And I know you can't be with me here today on this beautiful turntable, but if you visit us directly at No Reserve Classics, you'll be able to get a virtual 360-degree tour. That's right, with a simple swipe of a finger, you'll be able to view the beautiful exterior of all of our rides. After you're done with that, click on the top left-hand corner for a virtual 360-degree interior tour as well. And remember guys, we here at No Reserve Classics know about all of our rides because we own all of our rides. And with that being said, this vehicle is owned by No Reserve Classics and is not a consignment car. And just a reminder guys, this vehicle is for sale as well as some awesome upgrades. So if you have any questions on financing with Woodside Credit or have any questions on how to get this beautiful ride into your garage, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll be sure to guide you through the full process. for taking that ride with us. We really hope you can picture yourself driving this beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro 350 X11 SS Restomod. This X11 Camaro is a brand new full nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. It is painted in its original base coat clear coat garnet red with black stripes laid deep underneath the clear. Straight body lines follow through along the side. 15-inch 5-spoke black SS and chrome wheels are wrapped in BF Goodrich white letter tires with a 215/60 in the front and a 225/60/15 in the rear. Beyond those wheels, in the front are power disc brakes. Both front and rear bumpers have been replaced with brand new, along the newly installed chrome throughout the full exterior. This Camaro also has a D80 spoiler package and a true dual exhaust belting out that Chevy small block 350 motor. Under the Steel Cowl hood lies a Chevy 350 cubic inch small block with a center bolt main. Mated to that powerful motor is a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Atop of the 350 engine is a chrome air filter with a Carter AFB Competition Carburetor underneath. And just above that is an Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold. The aluminum fin valve covers a period time correct and accent the period correct restoration that has been taking place around this Camaro. This show quality engine has been fully painted and features power steering, power brakes, and even vintage air conditioning and heating. The Chevrolet filler panel, chrome fan shroud, and Be Cool Aluminum Radiator all work together to help keep this classic cool. Stepping on the interior, you are embraced with a black vinyl interior that has been fully restored from top to bottom. The front bucket seats have been refoamed and also have GM stamped lap seat belts that hold you in. Just beyond the SS 4-spoke steering wheel are the working factory correct gauges. To the right, a newly installed vintage air conditioning and heating system will keep you warm on those October nights and ice cold on those hot summer days. And while you're cruising, All Pioneer Radio allows you to not only play AM/FM radio, but CD, USB, and plug in an auxiliary cord as well. All surround you from all four corners are speakers in the back deck as well as the lower kick panels. Just under the radio is the fully functional center console with working gauges. It also holds nice storage and houses the 4-speed manual Hurst shifter. And lastly, the trunk of this Camaro holds a factory-style floor mat with a full-size spare and a lift jack for an emergency use. The main structure of these Camaros is the unibody. There's no ladder-type frame running from one end of the car to the other. Camaros consist of multi-layered body shells of the unibody, which act as the chassis. As with any classic full restoration, this structure is very important. The quality of the restoration is usually forgotten about with underbodies, since they are never visible. Taking a look at the underbody, you'll understand all of the hundreds of hours that went into every seam, weld, and installation of this extremely professionally restored 1969 Camaro, appearing as if today was the day this Camaro rolled off the showroom floor. The front suspension was upgraded to dual rate springs for not only a better appearing stance, but a more plush ride. All of the body bushings are in excellent shape, along with many new components such as bushings and ball joints. The underbody of this Camaro really appears toy-like, with a painted and polished exhaust and a newly installed gas tank. The rear axle is a 10-bolt main and does have posi traction, so no more one-legged burnouts. One Camaro that can not only please the looks on the exterior, but the underside deserves to be showcased as well. And guys, I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video.